Hey, Matt Roulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today, I just want to show a couple of the key features that I really like about this 36 Aviara. First, I like the outboard version. Comes with the triple V8 300s by Mercury. Another cool feature, that I really think is pretty cool, is it's cool to touch vinyl. So you can be sitting down there if you're in South Florida or even up here on, middle August, 90 degrees. This is cool to touch. You can sit on it, very comfortable. And also just this entertainment cockpit right here. Then you get a grill right here. So, we're gonna do a quick tour of everything else, but I just want to show a couple key features. My name's Matt Roulette with MarineMax Boston. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat in my inventory, please feel free to reach out, 603-320-5524. Thank you very much.